Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today in the bakery I'm going to be showing you how to make custard. This custard is for custard slices, Danish and custard, and any type of applications where you have to use a cold custard to be filled in layers, and it goes like thicker than normal like custard you use on custard tarts, etc. Please subscribe to the channel. Anyway, we'll get on to the video. Recipe is now on screen. Right guys, the first thing you want to do is you want to put your milk into a microwave pot. You can also do this saucepan, but you tend to burn the bottom occasionally. Adding some vanilla essence. And a bit of colour. Give that a good stir around. If you get it too yellow, it'll be bright like the sunshine. So you want it custard colour. Like that. And now what we're going to do now is pop that into a microwave for around 10 minutes. You need this boiling hot. Right guys, now whilst that is in the microwave, you take your ingredients, your dry ones, and now we're going to sieve them. Best thing to do this twice. Right guys, it's around about 5 minutes now, so we'll have a look at the milk in the microwave, and with a bit of luck, it'll probably just need a bit of stirring now. Because you can also burn liquids in microwaves as well. That still needs 5 minutes. Right guys, the milk is now ready. And what we're going to do is add in the dry ingredients. Give that a good whisk round. Now at this stage you want to try and get rid of, if there's any lumps, you want to make sure you get rid of those. Right, and now we're going to put it back into the microwave, and this is the important part, is to keep an eye on it. It'll start thickening up now in the microwave. So you want to give it a minute on full power. But just keep an eye on it, because she will start boiling at one stage or another. So you don't want it to boil over in your microwave. You do want to keep an eye on it. So the idea is to boil it and obviously keep whisking it. And as it goes down, with this microwave I can actually turn it onto a simmer. So if you've got a microwave with a simmer, it's great. use the simmer, because that'll just bring it up and drop it back down again. But this one is very old-fashioned. I've had this one since, well, good part of 1981, I think it is. Good little toy, this one. It's starting to thicken up, guys. It might be a bit of a pain using the microwave, but when you're doing it on a hob, you tend to burn the base of the hob, because for some reason, I've done it myself. On the hob, you know how it is, you're cooking away, you're simmering it and you're stirring it, but you'll always get that slight bit, especially with milk. For some reason, milk and eggs seem to be the one that loves burning on the bottom of your pan. Right guys, I think we're almost there. Oh, yes. It's not boiling yet, but oh, look at this. If you can see that now, as you can see, it's starting to look like custard. Give it a stir, give it a good stir around. Now all you want to do is just take it to the boil. Look at that. Right guys, I think this is about ready. Oh yes. Right guys, and there is your custard. This is in this container, you've got enough custard in here to make 20 custard slices. So if you're only making 10 custard slices, obviously you only want half the recipe. The recipe is below in the description, and also you'll find the recipe on my Facebook page at Trad Bakery, and that's my Facebook page. Please check out the description for the recipe. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and please share. Also, don't forget, I've got playlists of other videos and home baker videos also in the description below. Anyway, we'll see you again in the next video. Laters!